Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Audi S5. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around the back end. On the back end, you have rear backup sensors and a camera. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio and cruise controls are mounted here. Full stereo, that includes your navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot video games today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Audi on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.